Alright, so here we have our new 2011 Dodge Durango. This is the Citadel two-wheel drive Hemi version. Vehicle has been on the lot 2 days. Have not even delivered it to the customer yet. And as you can see, we just have push button start. We got the nav. We have just about anything and everything that you can imagine in this vehicle. Sunroof. And this vehicle has already been equipped with a custom dual exhaust. It is a Flowmaster true dual with 2 single chamber Flowmaster mufflers, run to 4-inch, 18-inch long chrome tips. Whereas this vehicle initially had a very quiet exhaust system, we now get to take full advantage of the Hemi, and you get to hear how the Hemi sounds with the new Flowmasters. So I'm going to set this up here where you can see them and start the car. And there you have it. True duals, single chamber Flowmasters on a new 2011 Dodge Durango Citadel 5.7 Hemi.